Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So we're going to look at the while loop. With this loop, there is usually the condition in here, and then whatever code that is inside the body is what is executed. So for example, if I can just come to this right here, this should basically print all the numbers from 0, because we start our count from 0. It's an easy code whereby we just check if count is smaller than 10. It will stop once count is not smaller than 10. So when the loop is initiated or initialized, it will start from here. It will check count is 0, so it will print out count, which is 0. Then here we increase it to the next one, so it's going to be 0 plus 1. So that is basically what I did here. So we start off with count being 0, then the next count will be 1, and then again it will be the previous count plus the 1. See, this one's here, the ones here on the right hand side stay constant. It's these ones here that change based on what the previous count was. So now once count gets to 10, basically once it gets to 10, because it's going to be the previous count, which is 9 plus 1, which is 10, it will stop. You see, so it will start from 0, print out, then once it comes here, it checks, it will probably print out the last one, which is 9, which is 8 plus 1, which is 9. It will print that out, and then it will do the math again, which is 9 plus 1, which is 10. Then it's going to come on top, it's going to check, is 10 smaller than 10? 10 is not smaller than 10, so it is going to put an end to the code. So that is basically it. So it will not print out 10, but it will only print out from 0 till 9. So let's run this and see what happens. F7, there's no errors, so F5. So you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's how the while loop works. Simple and straightforward. So yes guys, I'll see you in the next video.